G'day guys and welcome to Koh Samui. We're in Lamai and this is the old, well it was not that old, it's the PHALUANG coffee house / resort. I'll take you around and show you in a minute, but we're looking at possibly buying this place as a viable business to restore it and bring it back to what it once was. Yeah, it's not in a bad shape, but it's been abandoned for a good few years. So I'll take you for a look around and see what you think. Leave us a comment. So the photos I'm showing you now, old photos and a couple of videos that I've managed to find. It's off the main road. It's been closed for about 5 or 6 years now, and does have rooms and pool, etc. out the back to stay in. Like I said, it's really close to the main part of Lamai where I'm living at the moment. Yeah, it was thriving. It was had a good reputation. I don't know the background, what happened to it and why it was abandoned. I don't think it was ghosts, just saying. But yeah, let's take a look around.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
So there you have it. That's what it used to look like. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and let us know in the comments if you think we're crazy putting any money into this place. Cheers.
Alright, I'm here in PHALUANG, I think I pronounced that right, and I found this abandoned resort just off the highway. I thought I'll stop here for a drink of water, and yeah, it's all abandoned. Dun, dun, dun. And it's funny, I've seen a sign for there was a pool around here, but check this out, still got power on. So I walked around PHALUANG coffee house, and there's a water slide. Who would have thunk it? And the pool that hasn't been used for many years. And look at the majestic building there. Pretty damn cool. A spa, you're not getting in that. You could try, but I wouldn't. That's it. There you go. All abandoned. It's got a story to tell, but nobody to tell it. God, that sounds fucking symbolic, doesn't it? A story to tell with no one to tell it. Because there's no one here, get it? Oh, fucking Pool Ruels. Okay? Note the Pool Ruels. Ruels. R-U-E-L. Swimming pools open daily from 7 to 9 p.m. Persons with skin disease or contagious diseases are not allowed in there, of course. If you have leprosy, you're not allowed. Please do not spit and urinate into the pool. You can spit and urinate, but do not spit and urinate at the same time. Please use the pool in a polite manner. The PHALUANG coffee house, this used to be. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. I would have preferred to get a coffee here, but there it is. It's all gone. It's what once was is not anymore. Would have looked good back in the day. The highway. Yeah, and there's my trusty steed over there, just waiting for me. We're not far from where those elephants were. Look at that. A bit of work's gone into that. And there's one of the other elephants that turned to stone. You know the story about the elephant that turned to stone? I don't know. He ate cement or something. I don't know. Dad used to tell me that joke. I never got it back then. What's all this shit? A target, the Patong Paragon gun shooting range. Alright, I want to go and shoot guns. There's the Cobra Man. Great. Alright.